In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Exodus modules here in Arc Raiders. We got two methods in this video, so make sure you watch all the way through. But before we get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first method is by far the easiest and by far the fastest as well. What you're going to want to do is get on the home menu and select traders up at the very top, and you will see Celeste on here. So go ahead and select her, and she actually sells one Exodus module per day for 55 seeds. So if you have the seeds to spare, you could simply trade 55 in and you'll get one Exodus module per day. And once again, this is by far the easiest method. That being said, I do have a guaranteed drop location for this, and this is by far the best place to farm this. So if you back out and hit play and then go to the spaceport map, if you go ahead and hit inspect, it'll pull up this page. It looks like this. What you're going to want to do is actually go to Rocket Assembly over here. This location gives you guaranteed Exodus module drops. It is by far the most reliable place in the entire game to grab one during your run. So if you're playing Spaceport, head over to this area, go ahead and get yourself an Exodus module, and also keep an eye out for any areas on the map that are mapped with this little Exodus symbol right here, or this Exodus icon. It's like the half small circle eye-shaped symbol. That's the best way to describe it. Any location with this symbol does have a high chance of dropping those Exodus modules, but Rocket Assembly has a guaranteed one every single time. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.